the beach that is inside the military base. This is PEMA E THATE in Albania, and it's one of the most beautiful beaches here. And right in front is the Corfu Island. Guys, so welcome to another video. I'm Don and we are going to one of the most beautiful beaches in Albania, which is PEMA E THATE or Dry. It's like half hour, 30 minutes drive from Saranda to come here, and we will come across KSAMIL, but it's absolutely one of the most beautiful beaches and we'll see why. Something else that I would recommend to everyone that comes and visit in this time. It's summertime and it's extremely for you to come when the sun goes down or on sunset or even morning, because during the day in midday it's like super hot, extremely hot, and sometimes it's really damaging. But yeah, I'm coming in sunset and also the views are much more beautiful. This is a private or public beach. Actually it means like it's in administration of a private person or administrate, I'm not sure, but I don't know if it's allowed to swim for everyone, so I'm going to show you right now, because in Albania has been like a super huge problem with persons that have occupied and have been like public beaches now have been and are made like private beaches, and you have to pay for sunbath and the prices are really high, so I'm going to see by myself and told it. I'm going to a viewpoint and I'm going to show you the beach, how it does it look, and actually it's really beautiful. Like sunbeds, but I'm not sure if these are... I think you should pay, and the price wouldn't be a nice thing, but anyway. Okay. Firstly I'm going to try to swim for free, because that's the main thing that I came here to show, that you shouldn't pay for everything, and I hope so, but let's see, I hope nobody kills me. Can't complain about it. It's absolutely a beautiful beach. A lot of sunbeds right to the water, but probably the prices are a little bit high of them. And also down up there it's a restaurant, which looks okay, but I don't know. The prices weren't that high actually to the restaurant. I saw the table, I will show you later, but I don't know how are the prices of it. Go and take a peep to the water, which is absolutely a beautiful one. And the sunset over there. Oh man, it's out of this world. Let's look at deep. An amazing beach, extended beach in Albania. Look at this. Ooh, I'm moving. It's a perfect time. It's a little bit windy today. It's a little bit windy actually today, but the beach here and now that have not a lot of people, it's like mesmerizing and absolutely a beautiful thing.
Actually, there are like 3 bays of beaches or beaches that are located in 3 bays near to each other, and all of these make like the PEMA E THATE or the Dry 3 beach, and they are all stunning with incredible waters and beautiful views.
Taking a dip here, you can come and stay to those kind of beds which are super nice. And all this beach is nice actually, super warm, and the weather is really nice. It's not that extremely hot day. Also it's a viewpoint over there that probably I'm going to go there a bit later. It's the beach that is inside the military base. You are seeing right there where my finger is, it's Corfu. It's Greece and it's Corfu, and this is the Corfu channel. It looks so close, but actually have extremely stream water. Absolutely one of the most beautiful beaches I have ever been in Mediterranean areas, because it's a small bay and not a lot of people. It's something else that the water is not extremely clear today because it's so wavy and have a lot of streams, but usually it's much more clear than. This is one of the most beautiful places that you can ever be, and in Albania it is one of the best beaches. And even if you have to pay for the bed, I told you before, for the sunbed, I think it deserves the pay here. Now I'm seeing that the cam wasn't clear. Another view of the PEMA. I'm trying to keep this vlog as real as I can, not with a lot of editings, because I want to show you the real experience that I'm having here. I'm done. I came from Albania. I don't came from an English-speaking country, and I have made and learned English in autodidact way. So it means that I haven't been in any school. Actually, I have been in Switzerland and Germany, and I have studied in some international schools. But my English, of course, is not like a person that comes from an English-speaking country like England, US, UK, Australia, and I try to do my best. So sometimes forgive me for my mistakes. So I'm just going to a viewpoint that just connects the two beaches, and I'm bare feet, so. And yeah, so this is like a viewpoint over here that you can see the both sides of the beach, because also it's another side of it. Point that I'm going now. This is the beach that we stayed on, and it was like really nice. In this place is like another beach with some bed. So in this place is like another beach, and over there is like Corfu Island, and this is a viewpoint, but it's super windy. And also an Instagram point view over there, because but everyone was just doing photos from Insta and things like this. Actually, I was the only one which were vlogging, and they were looking at me like, what is he doing? He's not doing photos, but he's doing videos. I was the special one. Look how beautiful this is. Actually, it's like super windy, and me that I was hoping to took up the drone. I'm hopeless now. Okay, so now out of the sea and enjoying a little bit more sun before we're going, and I hope you had a nice time with me here in this amazing beach, actually hidden beach in a military base, because PEMA E THATE is located in a military base, and before like 1990, where Albania were a communist country, coming here wasn't allowed because it was an ex-Soviet or ex-communist military base, and nobody can come here. Actually, this was a point that controlled the people that escaped from communist Albania to Greece or to other parts, and this was like impossible to come here, but now you can come and you can enjoy this. Now in race with time to catch some beautiful sea and sunset, and look at the sunset, which is absolutely amazing. Ooh! I mean, look at this. Yeah, at the viewpoint that I was before, I need to do some beautiful shots, because now is the perfect time. The sunset is absolutely wonderful, and also to do any picture for thumbnail or something like this. It's like a little bit of a hill, and that's why I'm heavily breathing.
This is the Corfu Strip or Corfu Channel that connects, or better say, between Corfu Island and surround Albania. And the water is a little bit risky to swim because they have a lot of streams, some of the strongest streams in the Mediterranean Sea. So it's better and it's recommended to stay close to the shores and not to go far from the water, from the shores and the coastal line, so it will be much safer for you. I have been an experienced swimmer, I have been a pro swimmer for 8 years, and when I go a bit far from the shores I had a lot of difficulties to come back because the stream was so strong. So this is a recommendation from me: if you visit this place, don't go far from the shores.
So from we are going to leave a footprint and drink a coffee and enjoying a little bit more time here. It's such a good place. Okay, I'm down there. Right where my finger is like a jumping platform, which is really nice to go and deeper for more adventure people. And actually I stayed for free. I go there just going and jump to the water. I didn't pay anything for sunbed, but probably it's me, or probably because they see me doing videos for YouTube, and this is the reality. Said, let's go to another place. Actually, today's experience, it's overall, it's really beautiful, really nice, and I had so much fun. Actually, I can't deny that. And also the beach was really nice, the water warm, it was beautiful, and the time that I spent here, it was like one of the best I have ever spent in some beaches. And I am not like a very much beach person. I don't like going there, staying in sunbed, staying in sun. I just like to go there for a couple of hours, maybe 1 hour. It's super enough for me. And now we are going, as I said before, to drink something. And this was the experience today that actually it was better than I thought. And I highly recommend this place. So yeah, I'm going to take the car now and go to the other destination that will be the last one. And I hope to make some other videos from Albanian beaches, because in Albania there are some of the most beautiful beaches in Mediterranean area. And let's see what is going to happen in the next adventure. But this year must be so intense for me, and I suggest everyone to subscribe and to help me to be part of this family, because for me it's like a family. This thing has changed my life, and I can't stop doing vlogs. So yeah, that is. That island over there, it's Corfu actually. That is Corfu, not Albania. And look how close it is with Saranda, then PEMA. Another stop that I can't not show you, because it's like an incredible sunset over here, and this is the sunset that I wanted to show. Oh man, this is amazing. Let's go meet up. And this is one of the places that I feel like home at Livia Butrint, always a pleasure. And it's one of my favorite places in all of Albania. Always pleasure to vlog here and to do nice things. And also honey, bio honey. Kaylee, but we are waiting for the king, Chapi. Haydi Kaylee! Haydi! You have seen a lot of times in my videos, because it's the place that when I am in South I will come with 100%, because I love this place. And I'm not sure what we are going to do. This is also the place that organized the boat tour to the Ali Pasha Castle that you have asked me a lot of times, and also we have had a lot of fun. Look, I had to stop here and show you this beautiful sunset, amazing one. It's out of this world. And let's go and continue to another vlog. And there is some meal that I have shown you like many times. And see you guys in another vlog, in another video in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe.